Track 1.32, Unit 3, Speaking, Exercises 2 and 3.
Hello?
Hey, Tina, it's Jake.
Hi there. How are you?
Fine, thanks. What are you doing at the moment?
I'm sightseeing. I'm at the Brighton Aquarium with Laura.
Really? What are you looking at?
Oh, there are some sharks here. They're really cool.
Are you having a good time?
Yeah, it's really interesting. We can meet later if you want.
Okay, great. Give me a call.
Sure. Bye for now.
Track 1.33, Unit 3, Speaking, Exercise 4. 1,
How are you?
2,
What are you doing?
3,
There are some sharks.
4,
Are you having a good time?
5.
It's really interesting.
Track 1.34, Unit 3, Speaking, Exercise 5.
Hello?
Hi, Sal. It's Ben.
Hi there. What are you doing at the moment?
I'm at the skateboard park with Tom. We're practicing.
Really? Are you having a good time?
Yeah, it's fun. We can meet later if you want.
Okay. Give me a call.
Sure. Bye for now.